Hello you guys! What is up? My name is Karen, aka Caked by Baby K, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whew. Today, I am so excited to share with you my room and studio tour. I've been so hyped up to show you. I'm gonna preface this video by saying it is in no means finished. I still have so much stuff to do. I have a lot of finishing touches to put on both the studio and my bedroom, and I'm only going to be showing you these two spaces today because the living area, kitchen, bathroom space is not completely done yet. I do want to change a lot of things within the house itself, so I'm just gonna wait on that so it's more presentable. But hopefully that's enough for you guys. You guys might have noticed that I didn't upload this past Wednesday, and I'm so sorry about that. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might already know why I've been so inactive. Just getting this space ready and everything else going on. I've had a lot of activities, events, I don't even know what to call them, instances. I've had a lot of activities come up in my life, like day to day, and so that has really prevented me from filming. Like just this past week, I've had a shoot. It was my best friend's birthday, and that was on Wednesday, which is why I couldn't upload because I usually film on that like Tuesday or Wednesday, but I was busy both of those days. I've been doing makeup on clients. It's been so hectic, and in addition to getting all of this ready, like we painted for like 5 days and it was only 2 rooms, and then we had to clean up the house. We had to make sure it was all ready for me to move into. And then moving all my stuff in, organizing, cleaning up everything after that. It has been so hectic. I'm still not even done. I still have to get so many little things like towels, bath mats, etc., because I want it all to look, you know, at least a little bit cohesive and clean. So that's my explanation as to why I've been kind of inactive, but hopefully after things settle down, I can get back into the swing of things, especially with this new studio. I am so excited to show you guys. I've been waiting for this day ever since my parents told me that I can move in, which backstory on that, if you guys haven't been keeping up with my videos, I know I haven't really mentioned it that much in my previous videos, but if you guys didn't know, I recently moved back home after graduating. I graduated like a little bit over 2 months ago. And so I moved back in with my family, and that has been great. I moved back into my old room actually, and that was serving its purpose of being my bedroom and my studio, even though it was super cramped. And while I was fine with just staying in that space, my parents suggested that I move into our guest house, which is where I am living now. If you guys didn't know, I'm pretty sure I mentioned it very briefly in one of my previous videos, but I'm currently living in my parents' guest house. They thought it would be great for me to move in just to have a little bit more independence, a little bit more privacy, most importantly, and just to, you know, have my own space so I can get my work done free of any distractions and anything else that might come my way by living in the actual house with my parents. And we used to have a tenant rent this guest house out, but she recently moved, and so this became available, and so my parents were like, here you go, you can move in. And I was just like, ah. So I'm so thankful to them for giving me this new space. I'm just so excited to create whenever I want and have the privacy to do so, because even though I love my family, it was getting irritating not being able to create whenever I want, because, you know, living with family, I couldn't film late at night because, you know, everybody's sleeping. I didn't want to disrupt everybody. And it's a smaller house, so you can really hear everything that people do in the other rooms if they're like walking, because we have hardwood floors, or if somebody's like talking or watching TV in the next room, or even going to the bathroom, you can hear everything, like from TV conversations, toilet flushing. So I'm so excited to be in my own space where I can create whenever I want and just not be limited by all those distractions. So with that being said, I'm going to take you guys around the studio and then the bedroom. And before we start this is in no way finished. This is like a really, really rough draft of what I want everything to look like, but it's in pretty good shape right now. So without further ado, I know I've been talking for like a million years. Let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, this is what you see when you enter my studio. So of course there's a desk here, laptop, microphone, chair, rug to kind of absorb the sound because it is hardwood floors. My dad did renovations on this entire house, so he put all the hardwood floors in. He built the closets that you see here. I definitely want to do something with these closets because I don't really like this color and type of wood to go with the white and the really dark, almost black trim. So I'm looking into that, you know, peelable wallpaper that doesn't damage surfaces and maybe just buying like a solid color of that and sticking it on there. But we'll get into that in a second. This is where my backdrop stand is, and you'll notice I don't have anything right now. So I am kind of in the market to get new backdrops and a lot of like multicolored backdrops for my future YouTube videos. But for now it is white. But I got this backdrop stand off of Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I think it was only like 40 bucks. I got these little clamps. These are from Home Depot. At least these ones are. These came with the backdrop stand, but there were only like 3. So I went and got more at Home Depot. These were only like 99 cents. The lights back here, I also got from Amazon. I purposely got these when I knew I was moving into this new space. And this is my first time using them. And honestly, they're pretty darn efficient. I will link everything in the description down below, and I will keep you guys updated on these because I haven't used these for too long, but so far it makes everything look good, if I do say so myself. I decided to paint the walls white because that's just like a bright, neutral color that I could use as a backdrop if I wanted to. And I just love how white looks, especially with this like dark gray trim. It's definitely a really dark gray with blue undertones. And so we decided to go with that. I love these 3 windows right here, and that is the main reason why I chose this room to be my studio, because of all the natural light it lets in. And before I was filming with my ring light, which did a fantastic job. I'm still going to use it because, you know, times where I want to film at night and stuff. But here is the ring light. My tripod is right here as well. I just have an extension cord right there. Excuse this mess. I have like a bunch of stuff to organize still. And then here I have a TV stand, which matches the desk a little bit. So I got this desk from Big Lots. Big Lots has a lot of good stuff. Don't be sleeping on them. But here is laptop, microphone, and then I also have this little side desk. This is from IKEA, which ended up matching perfectly with my desk. I'm just using this to hold like tools, like mirrors and brushes. So this I also got at IKEA. This is actually a TV stand, and I was using this at my old apartment for a TV, but recently I moved back and I just kind of found a home for it in the studio. I think it's going to hold like some of my palettes. I've still yet to decorate this. So I'm thinking like some pictures, and I might keep some of my palettes in here with like those acrylic cases. So stay tuned for how this is going to look because this is definitely not finished. Moving on to the closet. So you guys will see later, but I do not have a closet in my actual bedroom. I'm putting all my clothes into the studio. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's just a closet. And then down here, I have some boxes that are also from IKEA that are holding like more clothes, my pants, workout stuff, because I don't have enough hangers or space for that up here. And then moving on to the second closet right here, it is a lot of space, which I am very, very thankful for. I'm just gonna open this real quick. Here is all my makeup storage. So we have a mirror up here. I have beauty blenders. That is actually my nail polish box, and above it I have a bunch of my baby wipes and makeup wipes. Some towels for when I like wash brushes or I need to clean my hands during doing makeup and all of that. And then down here, I also got these from IKEA. They are really starting to break down though, so I would not recommend them. I would definitely invest in some Alex drawers, but it's just not in the budget right now, so this will do. And so these are all categorized. This is eyes and eyebrows. The second drawer right here is base, so foundations, concealers, contours, highlights, and blushes. Down here is primers, setting sprays, and primer sprays. The second tower right here, this first one is highlights. The second one is like eyeshadow palettes. And then the third one is lips. Going into the second part of this closet, I'm just gonna switch it over real quick. So the second part of the closet is all my tech stuff. So I have the bag for my ring light, my camera bag, a bunch of backdrops in this basket right here. I know I need to hang them up in the closet right here, and that is coming. I just ran out of hangers, so I need to get more. And then here are some extra like tripods. I have like light bulbs, just random tech stuff in here. And then above these closets, I also have these two cabinets. In this one, I have all my art supplies, so like paintbrushes, paint, what have you. I would open it up for you guys, but I'm like too short and I need like a chair to open this up. So we're going to skip that. And here's how the studio looks from this angle right here. As you can tell, there's so much natural light. And back here behind the door, that's where I hang like all my purses and my like backpacks and stuff. There is so much natural light that streams in, which is a great thing, but it also gets so hot in here, so that's where this guy comes in. This is an AC unit. The only thing is that it's so loud and I can't have it on when I'm filming, so I'm sweating so hard right now. Going into my bedroom, so this is what you see when you walk in. It's very, very spacious. It's bigger than my studio because it doesn't have a closet in the back there. But again, this is the same color scheme, painted it white with this like dark gray kind of blue trim. So starting here, this is like kind of the comfort nook. I have a futon right here that I've been using for a couple of years now. This actually used to be Nate's, and he gave it to me when I moved into my apartment in San Diego, and also he didn't really need it anymore. So I was like, cool, when I have guests over, they can sit here, and this has just like been with me for like the past couple of years now. It's below this skylight right here, which I also painted with the dark gray trim. And then you look over right here, and here is like this little additional seating area. I also keep some of my clothes in here. There's a basket full of stuffed animals, don't ask. And so it's just nice to like sometimes sit here, you know, put on shoes, yada yada yada. I'm going to put like a mirror somewhere in this room, probably like right here because it's really bare. But above this little dude is my bed, and so this is a full-size bed. I got all new sheets and pillow covers and this blanket right here. So this comforter is actually from Home Goods. It's that brand Vince Camuto. And I got this because it was just so much better than having like a down comforter, because it does get really, really hot in this house at night, and I don't like to sleep with the AC on, which is right there, because it's so loud. And so I just wanted something really light that I could use for summer. And so it's just this really nice, like that soft fuzzy blanket texture. White sheets, so I have white sheets underneath it, and those are from Target. These are the pillowcases that came with it. I absolutely love Target and their Room Essentials microfiber sheets. They are the softest sheets ever. I absolutely love them. And I love sleeping with like a lot of pillows, so there's that. Here are the windows, again, AC unit right there. Here is a nightstand, which I have an additional lamp that's also from Target. And over here is just a table. I have a hamper right there. Don't look at that. This table, glass with like silver, metal. And then this is my TV. She is really old, but she gets the job done. I didn't want to buy a new TV. Having a nice TV is like totally not necessary to me. But I have this for if I want to Chromecast it for whenever like Nate wants to come over. That's basically that. The walls are very, very bare, especially in this area. And I definitely want to put a mirror somewhere. I might go to like Home Goods and buy like one of those nice mirrors so I can just have something right here. And also I would love to have some of my artwork up here. I do have canvases, and so I just want to do like some abstract art that fits with the color theme. I definitely want to get more accents of this like little pink, and I'll probably do like a canvas piece like right there, because I don't know why, but that's annoying. She's like right in the middle of the wall. But this is my bedroom, and she's got like really, really high ceilings. I definitely want to put some string lights along here. I think that would be really, really cute, but this is how she's coming along so far. She's definitely not done, and the studio isn't done for the most part, but she's off to a good start. I just love this nook. Isn't she so cute? I think it's my favorite part. All right, guys, so that is my studio and room tour. I know it was pretty bare, but there's more to come. I'll probably do an updated one within the next couple of months, because I don't know if you guys have ever like moved by yourself and had your own space, but it's just buying everything and like organizing and decorating everything takes so much time, because you don't want to do it all at once and have it completely drain your bank account. So I'm doing it slowly. So I will do another updated studio and room tour, and hopefully eventually like a house tour, because I know a lot of people want to see that as well. I'm so excited to crank out even better content at this point. I'm just so excited and so happy. And let me know if you like this setup, if I should change out the backdrops. Let me know what you guys like to see, because it definitely helps me out, and I love catering to your guys's, you know, wants and needs. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good, and I will see you guys in my next one.